Let's take some time now to discover and know how much we are truly loved as expressions of this infinite presence and activity, Spirit, expressing in and through and as us. I invite you to take a nice, long, cleansing deep breath. And as you exhale, let your body relax. Let go and relax. And send the message to every muscle, relax and let go. Relax and let go. Becoming aware of your feet and your calves and just feel your body relaxing. Become aware of your knees. Sometimes we hold tension behind the knees. Just feel that part of your body relaxing and releasing. Relaxing the thighs, letting your abdomen and stomach relax. Becoming aware of your hands and letting your hands and fingers be relaxed. Relaxing your forearms, your shoulders. Good. Letting go, relaxing. Relaxing the muscles in your chest and in your back. Moving awareness into your neck, relaxing the front, the back, the sides. Becoming aware of the muscles in your face. Relaxing your jaw, your cheeks, your eyes, your ears, your forehead. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Scanning your body again and just noticing any area that needs to let go. Let yourself relax now. Give your body, your mind, a break. Take a meditation vacation by tuning in to Spirit that is expressing in and through and as you right now. Know within yourself, I am a spiritual being. I am the infinite presence, the infinite spirit, being me. Just like the ocean is being and expressing as the wave. I am spirit, being and expressing as me. I have a mind, I have thoughts, but I'm not my mind, I'm not my thoughts. I have a body, but I'm not my body. I am consciousness, I am spirit, I'm the one that lives in this body and has this mind and thinks these thoughts and has these feelings. I am God being God as me. This is who I really am. Created in the image of God, of Spirit. And Spirit is life and love and wisdom and power and all good. And so as Spirit's creation, I am love, I am life. I am power. I am all good. Expressing as me. This is my true nature, my true self. And I affirm this. I know this for myself. I'm not making it true. I'm not a human being having a human experience. I'm a spiritual being having a human experience. I'm not trying to be spiritual. I am spiritual. I am spirit being me. This is my true nature, my true essence. I am spirit. And so let us now move beyond words, beyond thoughts, by concentrating the mind. And let us use the breath that's always flowing in and out. And let us just observe the breath, watching the breath, flowing in and flowing out. And when the mind wanders, let's just bring it back to the breath. And in fact, I invite you to use an affirmation. As the breath flows in, mentally think the words I am. And as the breath flows out, the word spirit. I am on the inhalation, spirit on the exhalation. Let's do that now for about a minute. Just watch the breath using the affirmation. And let's take a nice, long, deep breath now. And now just be present to whatever you might be feeling in your heart. Sometimes placing your hand on your heart can help you tune in to what you're feeling. Now just notice whatever draws your attention within. Just be present to your inner life. What's going on inside of you right now after this time of concentration? Be present to the within of you, receptive, aware, conscious. Imagine this infinite presence that's expressing as you. As light, imagine you are a being of light. And see that light filling your whole body, your whole being, Feel that love, that joy, that peace, that well-being. Imagine it expressing and feel it radiating from you, in you, as you. Feel the warmth of that light tingling throughout the cells of your body. See yourself as a radiant spiritual being. Imagine that light filling this room where you are, touching every person in the room where you are. If there's no one else in that room, just know that the energy of your being is filling that room, filling that home, filling that office, filling that space wherever you are, with harmony, with healing, with peace, with joy. And imagine that light radiating forth, expanding, covering the town where you are, the city where you are, the state where you are, enfolding the globe with the light of the infinite flowing through and as you, joining others worldwide in this prayer time. Knowing, as Charles Fillmore said, that prayer is the most accelerated form of mind action. That right now, we are on a frequency, a vibration of accelerated mind action. A vibration of healing, a vibration of prosperity, a vibration of peace, a vibration of harmony. And this energy, this consciousness, is part of the healing of the world. And we give thanks for this activity of spirit as it flows and expresses as us, and as it flows and expresses in and through every person on the planet, as it flows and expresses through the earth, the animals, the environment. And now we release. We release everyone. We release friends, family, release all people. We release the planet, and we trust. We let God be God in and through all. And we trust, and we let it be. And now we bring our awareness back to our bodies, back to the room where we are, feeling the chair beneath us, the floor beneath our feet, moving hands, moving toes, hearing sounds around us, and recognizing that something just happened. We have just released more of our potential. We are more in tune with our divinity. We've released something good into the world. And now we move through the rest of our time, trusting and letting and being, letting that presence guide, direct, express through and as us. And so it is. Amen.